I am here at the Tom McCall Nature Preserve in Rowena, which is right in between the Dalles and Mosier. This location, which is just starting right now in the spring, is covered with a blanket of wildflowers, and it is a site that people come from all over. This is also the start of a 3-mile hike that overlooks the Columbia River. And it happens to be just a few minutes away from our listing at 6822 Highway 30 West in the Dalles, Oregon. This property sits on over 5 acres and is surrounded by public land. If you've been looking for the ultimate private getaway and living amongst the wildflowers, this just might be the one for you. One of my favorite parts about this property is that the seasonal Rowena Creek runs right through it. It's the perfect place to rest, relax, and enjoy the wildlife. The layout on this main floor has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a utility room, but what I love about the main living space the most is all the natural light that comes flooding in, allowing you to enjoy the scenery, and on a cold winter night, you have a wood-burning fireplace to enjoy. The downstairs basement leaves room for your imagination with many different rooms and flex spaces. For example, this converted garage would make the perfect space for a home gym, office, or to just enjoy more relaxation. If you've been looking for the ultimate sanctuary in the Columbia River Gorge, 6822 Highway 30 West just may be the one you've been waiting for.